Beyond the basics. More advanced ways to train to gain muscle. If you are an advanced bodybuilder, you probably know a lot about progressive overload, nutrition, and recovery. You've also probably learned the basic routines. If you want to push your limits and maximize muscle growth, you should incorporate advanced training techniques into your routine. This piece will talk about 3 effective training methods: drop sets, supersets, and pyramid sets. It will also show you how to use them in your own workouts. Drop sets are a form of intense training where you do an exercise until you can't do it anymore, then quickly reduce the weight and do more reps. With this method, you can push your muscles past the point where they start to feel tired. This causes more muscle fibers to join together, which leads to growth. To do a drop set, start with a weight that lets you hit failure within the rep range you want, which is usually between 8 and 12 reps. As soon as you hit failure, quickly lower the weight by 20 to 30% and keep going with the exercise without stopping. As soon as you hit failure, lower the weight and do as many reps as you can. Depending on your level of skill and goals, you can do more than one drop in a single set. Drop sets are great for working out tough muscle groups or breaking through muscle plateaus. They can be used in a number of workouts, like the leg press, the shoulder press, the bench press, and the bicep curl. But it's important to use drop sets wisely to avoid overtraining and make sure you have enough time to heal. Supersets. In a superset, you do 2 exercises right after each other with little to no rest. By targeting opposing or complementary muscles, this method aims to increase the intensity of your workouts, enhance muscle pump, and promote muscle growth. There are 2 main kinds of supersets, those that agonist and those that antagonist. Pairing workouts that work different muscle groups, like biceps and triceps or quadriceps and hamstrings, is called antagonistic supersets. On the other hand, antagonist supersets work the same muscle group with 2 different exercises. For example, for chest, you could do a heavy bench press followed by dumbbell flies. To use supersets correctly, pick movements that can be easily switched between and keep good form throughout the set. Aim to do the desired number of reps for each exercise, which is usually between 8 and 12 reps. Take a short break of 30 to 60 seconds between each superset to keep the intensity high while still giving your body time to heal. Supersets are an excellent method of maximizing workouts, saving time, and promoting muscle growth by increasing stress on your metabolism and engaging additional muscle fibers. Depending on your goals and tastes, you can use them in different muscle group splits or full body workouts. Pyramid sets. In pyramid sets, the number of repeats goes down between sets while the weight is gradually increased. You can gradually warm up with this method, lift bigger weights, and encourage changes in strength and size. This is what a standard pyramid set structure might look like. Set 1. 12 reps with less weight. Set 2. 10 reps with a little more weight. Set 3. 8 reps with a weight that isn't too heavy. Set 4. 6 reps with a big weight. Set 5. 4 reps with a weight that is close to your max. If you want to work your way back down, you can lower the weight and do more reps in each set after you hit the top of the pyramid. This variation is called a backward pyramid, and it can help work out muscle fibers more effectively and promote growth. You can use pyramid sets for many different compound workouts, like squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and overhead presses. They make it safe to lift heavier things, gradually overwork your muscles, and cause changes in both power and size. Adding advanced techniques. Consider your personal goals, healing ability, and training experience when adding advanced techniques to your workouts. Begin by adding one method at a time. This will give your body time to adjust and let you know how it reacts. As you get better at the skills and see results, slowly increase how often and how hard you do them. Also, it's important to keep the right form and skill throughout every set, even when you're getting tired. To heal faster and prevent injuries, focus on controlled repetitions, being mindful of your mind and muscles, and resting sufficiently between workouts. In addition to a good training program, it's important to use advanced techniques along with progressive overload, proper nutrition, and recovery methods. They are extras that you can add to your current routine. They don't replace the basics of good training. Drop sets, supersets, and pyramid sets are advanced training methods that can help lifters overcome plateaus and promote muscle growth. To improve your body and continue progressing in your bodybuilding journey, use these techniques intentionally. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and lessons. Remember, 3 times a week to the gym keeps your body strong, sculpted, and resilient. Please subscribe and click the notification button.